Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to program a 2024 Hyundai Palisade to your garage door opener. Now this setup should be the same for almost all new Hyundais that utilize the Homelink. So this setup on how I'm going to show you how to program your garage buttons, which should be right here, are going to be the same for most Hyundai models, the new models that are out. So first thing you got to do is start off by holding the first and third button on this system to actually reset it. So we're going to do that, and we're going to hold it until that light right there, you see it, till that light pattern changes. That'll indicate that it reset. This typically would take about 20 seconds. There it is. So I can let go. The next step we're going to do is we're going to actually hit the garage door button on the remote that controls the door, as you can see right there. But when we do this now, we're going to actually have to press and hold the button while holding the garage door button on the mirror that we're going to want to program at the same time. We'll do this until the light pattern changes again. So I'm going to do this with holding it with one hand. I'm going to press and hold this button on the remote, and at the same time I'm going to press and hold the first button on the mirror. All right, the door is going to close because I'm going to press the button, but you're going to have to just hold on to it until this light pattern changes. Here we go. I'm going to hold them down at the same time. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so we got a light. It's blinking slow. There it is, it's fast. See the mirror blinking fast? I can let go. All right, next step we're gonna do is we're gonna open the garage with the remote. And now I'm gonna go to my garage door motor and I'm gonna press my learn button. The learn button itself can be different on many motors, but on this one here, I'm gonna show you where the learn button is. I'm gonna press it and then I'll come back to the car. All right guys, on this model itself, it's a Liftmaster. Has a yellow button right in there, the round one. Okay, right there. That's the learn button, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna press that button one time, and there it is, it lit up, all right? Now we're gonna get back to the car. All right guys, from here, you got about 30 seconds. You're gonna wanna hold this first button down by itself now. Hold it down, and then let go. Hold it down again, and let go. There it is. If you notice, when I first held it down for a few seconds, the garage motor light flashed. Then you can let it go, and then you can just press and hold it again, and it'll open and close the garage.